delete a Snapchat story. Everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your Snapchat story. So if you want to delete your Snapchat story, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Snapchat app, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of the screen. Just go for that. And you can go for your view story or my story. You can scroll down to find your story on the my story section. And after that, you have to tap on it to view. And once you have tapped it on, just go for the delete snap or go for the three dot which is on the top left corner of the screen, or you can long press on that. And after that, you can go for the delete snap or delete story here. Just go for the delete and confirm that you want to delete the story. Once the story has been deleted, it cannot be recovered. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete the Snapchat story on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.